Actions, verbs used in sentences. Run. She loves to run in the park every morning. Run. She loves to run in the park every morning. Walk. They walk to school together daily. Walk. They walk to school together daily. Say. Always say the truth, no matter how hard. Say. Always say the truth, no matter how hard. Eat. We eat dinner together as a family. Eat. We eat dinner together as a family. Think. I think this is a great idea. Think. I think this is a great idea. Read. Every night, he reads a chapter of a novel. Read. Every night, he reads a chapter of a novel. Write. She'll write a letter to her grandma. Write. She'll write a letter to her grandma. Play. Children play in the backyard after school. Play. Children play in the backyard after school. Sing. Can you sing a song for us? Sing. Can you sing a song for us? Dance. She will dance at the festival next week. Dance. She will dance at the festival next week. Jump. Cats can jump surprisingly high. Jump. Cats can jump surprisingly high. Talk. We should talk about our plans. Talk. We should talk about our plans. Listen. Listen to the birds chirping outside. Listen. Listen to the birds chirping outside. Watch. I watch a movie every weekend. Watch. I watch a movie every weekend. Sleep. Babies sleep a lot during the day. Sleep. Babies sleep a lot during the day. Drink. He prefers to drink green tea. Drink. He prefers to drink green tea. Drive. Can you drive me to the airport? Drive. Can you drive me to the airport? Laugh. We laugh at old memories. Laugh. We laugh at old memories. Cry. Sometimes it's okay to cry. cry. Sometimes it's okay to cry. Begin. Let's begin the meeting now. Begin. Let's begin the meeting now. End. All good things must end. End. All good things must end. Call. Can you call me tomorrow? Call. Can you call me tomorrow? Move. They plan to move to Canada next year. Move. They plan to move to Canada next year. Wait. Wait here while I grab my coat. Wait. Wait here while I grab my coat. Ask. Always ask before borrowing something. Ask. Always ask before borrowing something. Answer. Please answer the question correctly. Answer. Please answer the question correctly. Work. He will work from home today. Work. He will work from home today. Open. Can you open the jar for me? Open. Can you open the jar for me? Close. Don't forget to close the gate. Close. Don't forget to close the gate. Help. I'm here to help you with your homework. Help. I'm here to help you with your homework. Buy. She'll buy a new dress for the party. Buy. She'll buy a new dress for the party.